Welcome to Food Boner. I'm Steve Poplar.
And I'm Steven, with a PH.
And today we're going to make the Monte Cristo, or
the Freedom Toast on steroids.
Dude, it's French toast.
Bro, this is America.
Well, regardless, it was created in France, which we are not dressed in the appropriate attire for, so... What the fuck was that?
That was a sound effect, bro.
We don't need sound effects, that happened already.
Okay, let's just go.
Alright, Steve, and hit him with les ingredients.
The first thing we have, 3 slices of quality potato bread. You're gonna be a sandwich. Next up, some delicious brie cheese, flown in directly from France. We have our meats, turkey from a turkey, ham from a pig, 2 eggs beaten hard, and finally, to make it all come together, some cinnamon.
Les préparations.
Beat him, Mike. Beat him. Boom!
Thank you, Stefan. Putting a lid on top of it will help the cheese melt faster. Voila! The Monte Cristo.